What is automation? When X happens, do Y. What does it mean? For example, a client sent an email to me. I receive an email. So that is when I receive an email. What do? I manually copy the sender name and sender email to Google spreadsheet. So that is what happened, right? When X happened. So let's copy here. When X happened, I actually do the Y. Um, so there is a flow here. From here, it flows to here. Okay, so it's right there. When X happen, Y do. The only thing is that this task need to repeat many times in a day. And if I want to copy this, I can hire somebody, or if it's in the data, I can automate it. So what do I mean? It's like this: email, receive this, and it's over here. So um, I will just show you, give you an example here. Okay, so I click on the compose. So I send it to Amazing Handout, and this is the fourth test. So I'm sending it. So now pause it. So after I send an email, I receive the email from my mailbox, and this value. Let's see, does it? Let's just refresh this. So it may take some time. The thing is that I want the sender name to be there. So instead of coming here, copy this, this is the thing. This is what if I want to do it. Let's say I do it here, right? And this is the fourth. And then come here. The sender name is actually this. Sender name is this. So let's look at that. Look at that. Just automatic, right? And that is what it means. Automations for a glance. So I can do more than that. We can explore more. So this is just my first time to automate it, and it's a success after giving a few more try. I hope this inspire to automate some of your data process. Remember, how do you do that? Right? Is that you sit down, take a piece of paper, write down this thing. What are the things that you routinely do throughout the day, weekly, monthly, or quarterly? So what is that? So does this involve moving the data from one source to another while copy and paste, which I just demonstrate to you, right? Does it moving? Does it use copy and paste method? And how much time does this activity takes? And what is standard process? Are they the same? Are they a same? Is it same each time? Is it? Is it something I outsource that is also done through a manual process? So think about that, and you can list out that. How much time does it take? So maybe you can just says that well or just maybe that you can, yeah, you can, you right click. Oh, I'm just thinking about that. I think it's good that you can create a Microsoft Word documents and say want to automate. Okay, and maybe give you some time, just that or just rotations here. So insert a table, maybe some sort of things there. Yeah, I think that's good. Okay, that's a one item, and it's gonna be here. Right? What is some of the questions? How much time does it take? So just put it here. How much time does it take? Just paste it as a number. Right. How much time does it take? What process? So what do you do manually? So I think you can create a table like that. What do you do manually? The tasks, the manual tasks. Okay, so I'll give you an example like copy sender name to email to Google Sheet, for example. So how much time it takes, right? So maybe 1 minute. And what other questions? There are some questions. Is it same? Yes. Is it same? Is it same? Is it also can be done? So maybe I'll just have this tree copy. Yeah. So okay. So basically, audit this data process automations audit list. Okay. So I'll give you an example already, right? So how much time? 1 minute. How much time per task take? Does each activity takes? How many time? So that would be the frequency. Okay, frequency. Okay, so frequency can be so example. So again, example, right? I may check. I may want to do this depending on your number of emails. So if I have 100 emails, so that will 100 times. 100 times per day. Okay, so it can be per month, per week, or per month, or per quarter. So depends on which one you think of, right? So any other remarks you want to put there? Yeah. So that's automated. Okay. So then you can have this thing. So you see, this task that I'm doing now it cannot be repeated. When I'm designing it's only one time. So that is not worth to do that, right? Because I only do one time, right? One time. This one's 100 times, and they are standard. It's always copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. So how much time does it take? So you gotta think about that. Three is 4 questions. Okay, sit down and think about it. Hmm. Okay. So I'll just go to speed Excel. Oh, yeah, something like that. Okay, so my uh, yeah, that's right. Thanks for watching. You just learn do how to plan, how to start your data automations process. Receive an email, manual copy it. If it's manually, you can always say that no, I'm not gonna do manually anymore. I just copy it, insert manually, automatically. Okay, the key is automatically. So then, you know, if you don't do this, you free up your time to do something else. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless you. Together we excel for 50.